Hello everyone, in front of me is iPhone 16e, and let me show you how to activate Emoji Wallpaper. At first, open the settings. Then from main settings list select Wallpaper, and here mark Add New Wallpaper. And now mark Emoji here. Mark those emojis that you wish to have included. You can add up to 6 emojis. Then just check how it looks. You can scroll and decide which layout is your favorite one. And I'll go with green. Now mark Add. And then decide if it's a wallpaper pair or if you wish to set home screen separately, but let me set it as a wallpaper pair. And let's go back. As you can see, it is already applied on both home and lock screens. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.